Okay, so we're going to continue with the activity. Remember that you are working with this. Okay, ready? Okay. I need that you finish. Okay. Attention. Very good. Right now, please, attention. Ladies and gentlemen, I need that you use the annotate bar. Boys and girls, you can use the annotate bar now. Quickly, let's do it. Quickly, boys and girls, use the annotate bar to complete it. Quickly, quickly, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Quickly, quickly, let's do it. Very good, Natalie. Boys and girls, continue. You have a lot of spaces. If you see the first space is ready, continue with the next one. I don't know why you stayed only in one space. You have a lot of spaces, a lot of boxes. Continue with the number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Not only the number 1 or 2. Continue, continue. Continue with the rest. You have a lot of boxes. Continue. Let's do it, let's do it. Okay. Let's do it, let's do it. Okay. Quickly, quickly, let's do it. What happened with number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10? Boys, please. Que aquí no hay varones. Voy a tener que ponerle falta a todos los demás. Los mismos varones y las mismas chicas de siempre. Vamos. Vamos, vamos, vamos. Okay. Continue with the number 7, number 8, number 10, 11, number 12. Continue. Hurry up, hurry up. Ladies, boys. Misael, Diana.
Mi, estoy en el celular, por eso no puedo.
But you have to use it.
Que la combo no me prende.
Vamos, vamos. Let's do it. Continue. Sabino, Ernesto, let's do it. Gabriela, let's do it. Okay. 11, number 12. What happened with the number 7? Manuel. Let's do it. Let's do it. Hurry up, hurry up. Quickly, let's do it. Hurry up, hurry up. Let's do it. Okay. 11 and 12. Number 7 and number 8. Let's do it. Remember, this is from middle school. Desde la escuelita ustedes vienen practicando lo mismo y lo mismo. Let's do it. Let's do it. What happened with the number 11? Let's do it. Okay, so here we have all the answers. Please, here we have all the answers so you can correct the errors. Here you can correct the errors according to this. Okay, and we are going to start. Attention, Ivana, start reading, please.
We need, okay, a healthy diet.
We need a healthy diet.
We need to eat a balanced diet. First of all, fruit and vegetables are very important.
Fruit, no, fruit.
Fruit. and vegetables are very important. Try to eat 5 portions a day. Drink fruit juice for breakfast, and you could eat an apple or a banana at break time. Dried apricots make an excellent snack too. For dinner, salad or green beans are very good for you.
Thank you. Macias Valeska, continue.
Carbohydrates such as bread are important because they give you energy. At dinner time, rice and pasta are good sources that you cannot. That sugar is also a carbohydrate, but be careful, don't eat a lot of sweet food like cake and biscuit.
Like cake and biscuits.
Like cake and biscuits.
Thank you. Continue, Ernesto. Ernesto Pozo.
Proteins also gives you energy and cells you think. Meat and fish contains proteins. Those are supplements rich in proteins. 2. Dairy products such as cheese and milk contain calcium as well, and they help to build your bones.
Thank you. Continue, Natalia.
Will need fat in your diet because it gives use energy. We get fat from meat, butter, cheese, nuts, and oils. Both fat lots of calories, so be colorful with junk food such as burger and cheese. They're delicious, but not very good for you.
Very good. Thank you, Natalia. Okay, please correct the errors in your books. Quickly, let's do it. Let's do it. Correct the errors in your book. Complete in your books. Quickly, quickly. Pay attention to the words. Vegetables, plural. Apricots, plural. Beans, plural. Biscuits, plural. Oils, chips, plural. But those are singular. Fruit juice, uncountable. Pasta in singular, uncountable. Sugar, uncountable, is in singular, is in a general way. Fish, uncountable. Cheese, uncountable, okay? Those are some of the words related to the singular and plural form. Those are countables or not, okay? You have here the form 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? With this information, now we're going to practice a little about this. And also here, we are going to find the forms of some, any, or no. Here we're going to remember some and any and the word no for the negation in this. Misael, start reading.
We often use some, any, and no with uncountable nouns and plural countables. Nouns to talk about
About
quantities.
About quantities. Very good. Remember, we're going to use some, we're going to use any, and we're going to use the word no, okay? Those are the words that you are going to find into this case. Attention. Remember, some, any, and no. Those are for quantities. For example, Misael.
We got some olive for the party.
I've got. Continue with the next one.
There's some rice in this dish.
Okay, continue.
Is there are any paper for the printers?
Okay, continue.
We haven't got any homework.
Okay,
Are there any biscuits?
okay.
There
Continue.
aren't any nuts in these meals.
Okay, continue.
I got no plans for the weekend.
Okay,
There are no milk in the fridge.
in the fridge. In the fridge.
Fridge.
Attention.
Fridge.
Remember that here we have some, especially when you have, remember, especially when you have sentences that are countable into the affirmative. Remember that some for the countables in which ones you have into the present time. When you have the positive, the affirmative sentence. That is about some. What happened when you have any? What happened with, especially with any? What happened with any? Any is specifically used for questions. It's specifically used for questions. Any for questions. And also you are going to use any when you are answering this case. For example, haven't, okay, look at this. Haven't got any, for example. You have the question and you have into the negative. We're going to use any. What happened in this case, for example, any biscuits? There aren't any, okay? And you are going to use those in this case. Attention with the next one. Now we have the word no. Pay attention to the word no. In this case, you say no plans. Okay, let me see these ones. For example, you say no plans, no milk. No is used in this case with the word. Okay, you are going to use no and the word to express specifically about that. Some positive, any questions and negative, and also remember no plans, no activities, no milk. You use no and the word is specifically that is an uncountable or countable form. Here you have, in this case, the use of this according to that, okay? We are going to use this information and now you are going to listen. Attention. You are going to listen this information. Please, Dominic, start reading. Dominic, start
Hi,
reading.
Alex. I'm in the supermarket, but I can't
No.
find
What do you have to do? Choose.
some, any, or no in the conversation.
Okay, very good. We have the conversation between Mom and Alex. This is the conversation between Mom and Alex. Attention, everybody. You are going to listen. You are going to listen. Attention, everybody. You are going to listen and you are going to complete the spaces. Listen and complete, okay? 1, 2, and 3.
Hello?
Hi, Alex. I'm in the supermarket, but I can't find my shopping list. Can you check what we need in the kitchen?
Okay. What do you want to know?
Have we got any eggs?
There's only one. There isn't any yogurt. We need some cartons of orange juice, too.
Right. And what about vegetables?
Well, we've got some carrots and some aubergines, but there aren't any onions.
Is there any rice?
We've got some brown rice, but I don't really like that.
Anything else?
Yeah, there's no chocolate in the house, and I'm starving.
Well, eat an apple then. You don't need any more sugary foods this week.
Okay, so right now you listen to information, and right now I need that you use, attention, ladies use the chat, ladies use the chat, attention, ladies use the chat and the boys use the annotate bar. Ladies use the chat and the boys use the annotate bar. Let's do it quickly, let's do it. Okay, ladies use the chat and the boys use the annotate bar. Let's do it. Quickly, let's do it. Boys Hurry up, hurry up. Quickly, quickly, let's do it. Okay, Gianfranco. Only Gianfranco, what happened with the ladies? Ladies are using the chat. Natalie, Alejandra, Ivana, they are collaborating into the chat. Dalia too, what happened with the rest? Boys, quickly, boys, quickly, 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 boys. Quickly, boys. Solo un hombre dentro del grupo. ¿Qué pasa con el resto? Okay, let's do it, let's do it. Wake up, wake up. Okay. Manuel, Gianfranco, the same as usual. Okay, and this. The chat is moving also. Continue, continue, the rest. Very good. There's again. Gianfranco again. Diego. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Okay, so here we have some of the options. Here we have some of the options. Very good. The chat was moving again. This very good. Attention, after this, okay, after this, attention, quickly, girls, move the chat, move the chat. Let's do it, girls, move the chat. Move the chat. Let's do it, let's do it. Move your chat. Let's do it. Boys had finished. Quickly, quickly, let's do it. Quickly, quickly. Okay, so I am going to take my evidences while the girls are finishing to do this. Okay, very good. Okay, so we're going to check and we are going to revise the evidences for them, okay, about this. Attention. So here we have the information related to this. Okay, mom, Gabriela Valverde, you're going to be mom, Gabriela, and Diego Anchala is going to be Alex. Okay, Gabriela, start please.
Hi, Alex. I'm in the supermarket, but I can't find my shopping list. Can you check what we need in the kitchen?
What do you want to know?
Have we got any eggs?
The only one there is any yogurt.
A ver. Vamos leyendo bien, pronuncia bien. There's only one, continue.
There's only one. There isn't any yogurt. We need some cartons of orange juice too.
Right, and what about vegetables?
Well, we got some carrot and so aubergines, but there aren't any onions.
Is there any rice?
We got some raw rice, but I don't really like that.
Anything else?
Yeah, there's no chocolate in the house and I am starving.
Well, eat an apple then. You don't need any more sugary foods this week.
Okay, perfect. Please, everybody correct errors and complete in your books. Complete in your books. Quickly, quickly, let's do it. Complete in your books. Technically, 1, 2, 3,
Miss,
4, and 5. Tell me, Isael.
Miss, hay una palabra que, ¿cómo se pronuncia? Es
Which
esa.
one?
Esa
Aubergines.
sí.
Aubergines.
Aborigines.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Ah, ya. Ok, mis gracias.
Okay, aubergines, okay. Let's do it. Some people say Johns, but it depends on that. Okay. Some people said aubergines, okay. So here we have, ready? In these cases, we have the forms of this, and obviously we have the first part of the writing process on this. Okay? Attention to the following activity that we are going to do the next class. Quiero que atienda esto, tómele captura de pantalla. Si no tiene su libro, tómele una captura de pantalla. Si no tiene su libro, tómenle la captura de pantalla y quiero que atienda bien porque esto ya lo va a traer preelaborado para la próxima clase. Esto lo va a traer preelaborado para que lo trabaje la próxima clase porque vamos a trabajar en la clase en línea con el material, donde usted simplemente va a completar en un Padlet, en un muro interactivo, la información que le voy a pedir. Por eso tome atención, qué es lo que tiene que hacer. Attention to do in this case, really. Here we have the following. Please, Natalie, start reading.
You are at the Eat in the Dark restaurant. But what are you eating and drinking? Follow the instructions.
Okay, stop for a moment. Here we say that you are, what is the name of the restaurant? Eat in the Dark. Okay, you are eating, you are drinking. Very good. Follow the instructions. What happened with the student A, Ivana? What happened with the student A, Ivana?
You're the waiter. Look at the menu on page
150.
150
Stop.
and
A
choose.
ver, stop. You are the waiter. Mire que estamos paso a paso. You are the waiter. Todos, por favor, vayan a la página 150. Vamos. Page 150. There is the menu. Yes or no? Vaya a la página 150, rapidito. Page 150. Page 150. Did you see? Yes or no? Yep. There is the menu. Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Very good. Continue, Miss. 150.
And choose 8 items for your partner's dinner.
8
Then
items. 8 items.
items for your partner's dinner. Their answers, students B is question.
These questions. Attention. And then your answer. What is the activity that you have to do? Attention. You have to select 8 items and answer students' B questions. Okay? That is the part number 1. What happened with the student B? What happened with the student B? Attention with the student B. Natalia Pionce, continue.
There are 18
8 items.
of food and drink in front of you, but you can see 10 as yet no question to
Find out
they
what they are. In this case, what is the student B? The student B is the client. Okay, is the client. And you have the menu, but you don't understand the menu. You can't understand the menu. You don't find the menu. And you want that the waiter, help you. The student B is going to ask questions and the waiter is going to answer. Janina, example number 1.
Welcome to Eat in the Dark. Enjoy your meal. Can you guess what you are eating? Have I got any vegetables on my plate? Yes, you have 2 portions of vegetables. Okay, are there any peppers?
Okay, so in this case, remember that you are guessing. Usted está descifrando, you are guessing because you don't know what you're eating and you are testing, you are trying, and obviously you are asking, what are you eating or drinking? ¿Qué es lo que estoy comiendo? Va a descifrar, va a preguntarle al mesero, ¿qué es esto? Sabe a pollo, pero es pescado, pareciera que es una papa, pero estoy comiendo un plátano. Okay, that is the idea that you are going to follow on this, okay? Based on the menu that you are having, you are using questions, yes or no questions to do in that case. Those are 8 items. Remember that you have 8 items. How many questions you're going to find? How many questions? Hey, everybody, wake up. If you say that you have to choose 8 items. Ajá. How many questions minimum?
8.
8 questions. Estamos hablando de que son 8 items, 8 items. Como mínimo van a haber 8 preguntas, pero van a ser más. Porque usted está descifrando o preguntando que al mesero, tratando de descifrar qué es lo que está comiendo, ¿ok? And you're going to follow this part of the activity. Remember that for the next class, I need this information that you collaborate with me on that, ¿ok? Ready? La próxima clase vamos a trabajar con esto, así que anótelo bien, va a hacer las preguntas en parejas, partner A and partner B. Puede escoger, puede trabajar con un partner, yo no tengo ningún inconveniente. Puede trabajar con un partner, yo no tengo ningún inconveniente. Y obviamente pues poder trabajarlo en función de esto, ¿ok? Any question, please? Any question? No?
¿Se puede trabajar sola?
Sí, yes, you can do it alone. En la próxima clase les voy a extender un enlace de un Padlet en el cual ustedes podrán trabajar la información. ¿Okay? Sí les pido de favor que vayan en un documento de Word, vayan preelaborando la información de la página 30, tópico 4. Miren, es page 30, activity number 4. Page 30, activity number 4. En un documento de Word vayan ya trabajándolo, pongan las preguntas, pongan las respuestas, imágenes, ¿verdad? Para que ustedes las puedan insertar dentro de sus Padlet. Okay, so here we're going to stop for this moment. We're going to stop for this moment. Do you have any kind of question? Do you have any kind of question? No? No? Okay, we're going to stop for this. Les voy a pasar el enlace de el attendance. Con esto hemos concluido el día de hoy. ¿Alguna pregunta, por favor? ¿Alguna situación? El enlace lo tienen en este momento en el chat. Ingrese al formulario. Ingrese al formulario para su asistencia en este momento. Recuerde que si no llena el formulario, no tiene la asistencia. Okay, let's do it, let's do it. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. Quickly. Quickly, let's do it. Mientras llenan el formulario, ¿alguna pregunta, por favor? Recuerden que las notas están subidas. Ya hicimos la socialización de las calificaciones del primer trimestre. Aquellos que no hayan trabajado las actividades porque no tienen el libro, porque tuvieron alguna situación, tienen que elevar una solicitud al rectorado para que consideren su situación y obviamente pues puedan trabajar alguna actividad de la plataforma, ¿verdad? No hay actividades, por favor, adicionales que un documento, que un archivo. No pueden enviar nada de eso porque los estudiantes están trabajando con la plataforma Richmond. ¿Ok? Listo. ¿Ok? Vamos rapidito, chicos. Ahora bien, a partir del día de hoy, ¿me atienden bien, por favor? Que veo que ya han trabajado algunos. A partir del día de hoy ya tenemos disponibles, ¿verdad? En la plataforma de Richmond ya tienen disponibles ustedes sus primeras asignaciones de este segundo trimestre. Atiéndame bien, por favor, y estoy hablando bien claramente para todos. Iniciamos el trimestre, no quiero las sorpresas inesperadas de lo que sucedió este periodo anterior. Por favor, su obligación es trabajar todas las asignaciones y los test. Las asignaciones le llegan el día lunes y se cierran el día viernes, máximo hasta el domingo. Normalmente yo dejo abierto hasta el día domingo, pero por favor, recuerden que sus asignaciones son de lunes a viernes. Las lecciones, lo que son las secciones de lecciones en el test section, esas lecciones cuando le llegan el jueves 7 de la mañana y se cierran el viernes. Una lección no está abierta. No es si es que la quiero hacer, la debe de hacer. Ahí completa su asignación. De lunes a viernes la asignación y lo que es homework y jueves y viernes lo que es test. Las dos actividades se complementan. Aparte, tienen que trabajar el class material en la sección Support Book y en la sección Workbook Online. Y en este momento vamos a iniciar la unidad número 3 y usted tiene la libertad de hacer. ¿Alguna pregunta, por favor? ¿No? Recuerde que los juegos y el class support mejoran las calificaciones de lo que haya hecho mal o de lo que no tenga. ¿Listo? Creo que con eso terminamos, ¿sí? ¿Nos retiramos, sí? Ok. No questions? It's okay? Very good.
Teacher.
Dime.
No question, teacher.
No questions. Perfect. Okay, bye, babies. See you. Remember that I
Goodbye,
love
miss.
you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
bye.
Goodbye,
See ya.
miss.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya. See ya.